Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your ASUS Zenfone 7, at the first you have to go for your clock application. Then we have to be right here in the alarms, activate one of this one of this alarm, and when you enter here, you are able to set the most important hours and the minutes. We can set the repeat only for the Friday. Here we can also, just change the ringtone. We can also pick the external ringtones. So if you got here, some kind of the music, you can set it up as your ringtone on the on this alarm. We can activate vibration, and we can also alarm report and change the label of this one. And after that you have to click here to save, and as you can see, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.